What's my favorite music video? Dance with Me, BGYO Dance with Me. I think so far that's the best music video na release namin. Shout out, forgot. I forgot. Sino gumawa ng music video na yun? Can you remember? Basta, ayun. Arcade, yes. Arcade, shout out Arcade. The best, of course. I really love Dance With Me music video by BGY. I think that's the best for me. I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure that is the best BGY music video. Dance With Me. Argue with me. Come on, argue. You drink coffee? Yes, every day. I drink iced latte. What's my favorite place? Kung nasaan ako nakatira. Yes. Fresh talaga yung gusto ko na songs no. Thank you, thank you. Yun yung isa sa mga, yun yung recent na sinulat ko. For me, yun ang pinaka-first na nasulat ko na kanta for video. Well, yun yung first song na nasulat ko for BGYO. Love that song. Nagko-coffee maker ka ba? No, masyadong tamad ako aralin kung paano. Kasi yung energy ko sa isang araw, sobrang kaunti lang. Na pag dinagdag ko pa energy ko doon. Hugas ako, hanap ako beans and stuff. I don't know, you know? Too much work for me. How do you pronounce my Chinese name? Sheng Xian. Yep. Si Shang napaos na daw nung sa SM. Thank you sa pagsigaw. Sabi ni Hermie, laro daw yung favorite niya. What? Really? Ano plan mo? Magsulat ulit song? Yeah, right now I stopped writing songs because I have a lot of stuff that I'm doing for my life. And, you know, pag dagdag pa BGYO, pag dinagdag ko pa yung songwriting, parang di ako makafocus. Pero right now I'm focused on writing songs for myself. How many points this ASG? Sabi ni Joaquin. Wax, wala akong masascore. Huwag ka na mag-expect. Pabano na ako ng pabano every year. I'm growing old, bro. Favorite album? Our album? Or someone else's? What's my favorite BGYO dance choreography? Feel like Fresh. Yes, Fresh is the best BGYO choreography. Like overall, not just parts, but overall. I would say number 2 is I don't know. What if red hair color Mickey? Parang no. Feel ko bagay siya sa skin color ko. Pero parang no, I'd just go for white, gray, and black. Kasi pag may kulay yung buhok, mahirap manamit. May mga damit ako na hindi ko masasuot. Pink hair, I was considering. Yung mala Patrick Star na pink. Hindi yung bright pink na pink yung parang Patrick Star. Parang peach color nga yun eh. I don't know. Basta yun, yeah. But, nope. Parang hindi muna. I did purple hair before. Actually, not purple. It's violet. Dark. Yung magnet. Tapos nag-fade siya into maroon. So I kinda had the idea na kung anong itsura ko with red hair. I wouldn't go for bright red. I would go for like dark red, maroon, stuff like that. Probably. Pagbawalan niyo si Akira kay Jenny, kay Nate Lim lang yun. Do I look like I'm the director? I don't know. Mean Girl choreo, you love it? Yeah. Sa lahat ng hair color ko, what's my favorite? Got to be still black. Number 2, platinum. Well, yeah. Ilang bleach? Patong ko siguro 3. Pero masakit guys. Kaya dati ginagawa ko monthly. Ako nagpapakulay. Pero sobrang sakit. Dumuluhan na ako. Hindi ako umiyak pero bihira lang ako umiyak pero napapaloha talaga ako pag nagpapakulay ako. So, ginawa ko every 2 months na lang. Pangit nga lang pag second month na. Pero, well, if ayaw ko mapanot, I gotta do that. But, blonde extensions. I don't like blonde, guys. Ayoko maging blonde. My hair is platinum. Pero nag-fade siya into light blonde. I don't know. But yeah. Ayoko ng blonde talaga sa hair ko. Pero no choice ako kasi after a month, maging light blonde na siya. Craziest hairstyle na gusto kong matry. I think I've tried it already. Yung spiky, yung isa-isa parang Naruto. But yeah, I think that's the craziest I've done with my hair. Pero yeah, maganda lang siya pag wala kang roots. Parang hindi ko gusto pag may roots. Pero sobrang tagal. Pangit na siya pag mahaba, for me. Sabi ni Zel na LSS na siya sa Fresh Sinta for everything. Thank you. Sa mga bagong pasok pala, ako si Mickey from BGYO. Part ako ng boy group. Pangalan BGYO. Kakalabas lang ng 7 na bagong kanta ng BGYO. So, may time kayo search yung BGYO on demand. BGYO On Demand. Yun yung title. Yes, sir. Yep. Thoughts on mullet hair? Pinakabagay for me ang mullet hair for people with long necks like me. I have a long neck. I hate how I look without a mullet. So every time nakikita nyo, lagi akong may buhok dito na natitira. Walang ganito. See? Ang laking difference, di ba? For me, yeah. Pero, yeah, if mahaba leg mo, it's good. Bagay sa'yo if may mullet ka. Pero if you have normal na neck, I think bagay pa rin. Yeah, bagay pa rin. Pero if you have short neck, parang hindi. I like my hair going out sa gilid para hindi makita yung leg ko na sobrang haba. Parang giraffe. Parang giraffe, be. Have you been in Greece? Not yet. I wanna go though.